Hello guys, so we are in the extension of Innoson Vehicle factory in Nnewi. We all know that Innoson Vehicles, they have been doing well for themselves, and over these years they have been expanding. So they got hectares of land somewhere in Nnewi again, and they are expanding. You can see they are at work already, and very soon this their new site will open. You know what that means? More jobs will be created for Nigerians, and the economy will get boosted. This is what we want. This is the Akuru Uno we are talking about. You can see how massive this place is, and mind you, this place is like ×2 or ×3 bigger than the existing factory, Innoson factory. So it's getting done, and today the governor of Anambra State came here to see this site and see what's going on, the productivity that's going on in Nnewi in Anambra State. So this is what we are encouraging among our people. Bring your wealth home, Akuru Uno. Bring your investment home. Invest and get people employed, and then also boost the economy. So let's take you guys on a tour around this new Innoson Vehicle factory in Nnewi, Anambra State. Watch and enjoy the rest of the video.
Say before you go celebrity, you go. Now the celebrity. Before you go, you pay me money.